Today, I've got a quick and easy guide for you on how to restore your Snapchat streak without spending a dime in 2023. Whether you're using an Android device or not, the process is the same, so let's jump right in. Firstly, open your Snapchat app. Click on your profile or Bitmoji at the upper left corner. Next, tap on the settings icon at the upper right corner. Scroll down until you see I need help and click on it. Now, select I lost my Snapstreak and scroll down. Choose the option, this article didn't answer my question or solve my problem. Click submit and then contact us. Here, choose I lost my Snapstreak and click on how do I restore my Snapstreak. Confirm by clicking yes. Now, fill out the form. Include your username, email address, mobile number, and device details. Don't forget to mention your friend's username, when the issue started, the duration of your Snapstreak, and describe the problem in the text box. After completing the form, click submit. Now, patiently wait for Snapchat support to respond. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you restore your Snapchat streak without any payment. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one, and have a great day.